Iyavela inkulumo kaMkhwanazi ethukutheliswe uMalema njengoba kade ebhodla umlilo izolo esho nokusho ukuthi-ke abazukuzwa ngoMkhwanazi uyena futhi owaqala-ke nonsense ababhekene nayo.
That we're not going to be told by Mkhwanazi what must happen, what must not happen. If we are looking for him, we have to find him. He's the one who started this mess.
Njengoba umuzwa-ke uMalema, kanti-ke inkulumo-ke kaMkhwanazi ethukuthelisa uMalema kangaka eyokuthi uMkhwanazi uveze ukuthi angeke aze akwazi ukuthi abe sey'ndaweni ey'mbili ngesikhathi esisodwa njengoba-ke lamakhomithi ehlukene kangaka elikaMadlanga elaqokwa upresidenti lile ePretoria kanti-ke leli lona lizobuyela eCape Town. Ngakho-ke uMkhwanazi uthi akazukwazi ukuthi abe sey'ndaweni ey'mbili ngesikhathi esisodwa. Okungcono uma ngabe seqedile ngelikaMadlanga mhla ka-24 September emva kwe-25 yale uyobe sekwazi ukuthi-ke avele kuleli-ke labo oMalema noma-ke elePhalamende. Cela ukuthi-ke uyizwele umnumzane Lekganyana ongu-chairperson waleli committee echaza ngawakhe bese kwenza isiqiniseko ukuthi uyasubscribe futhi uyalike asithibane ngovidiyo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.
With regard to the response that we got from General Mkhwanazi is that he requested the committee to allow him to continue with other engagement that he is already in with the commission until the 24th of September. That is the period that he may be available to come and appear before the committee anytime from the 25th of September, because after we received his request, we also made a follow-up to understand what does the 24th of September mean? Does it mean that that is the date in which he will be available to appear before the committee? Or does it mean he will only be available after that date? So as it stands now, all those witnesses that have been invited, 5 of them have responded. They are ready to do consultations with the senior counsel. And then once consultations have concluded, they should be able to appear before the committee. And then we have also, in the light of these developments, have aimed that the committee will start hearings either on the 16th of September or the 22nd of September, whichever was possible. And we felt that we must come and present before this ad hoc committee for the members to appreciate the report. If we start on the 16th of September, we are going to have 5 weeks to do the work of the committee. And if we start on the 22nd of September, which is the week commencing the constituency period for members, it means members of this committee will not have to go on a constituency period, will have to remain here for those 2 weeks and do the work. And the plan of the committee is that, or the plan that we suggest here is that by the 15th of October, and I will explain what I mean when I say by the 15th of October. By the 15th of October, the technical team must start preparing the report, which should be ready for the National Assembly on the 31st of October.